Okay, so I'm going to ask you to pay very, very close attention to this module, even perhaps more attention than you've paid to any other module. This is the module that really walks you through how to complete your IEP assignment. And actually, your IEP assignment is due before your web page. So I'm going to ask you to sort of set that aside for a little bit while you work on this IEP assignment. So it's going to be very, very important that you listen and do all activities in this module. You start out with a module on just inclusion video, and then you move on to looking at and listening to IEP videos. In other words, actual IEP meetings taking place, and that's put on by the Parent Center. You then will have an annotated video done by me that walks you through step by step the annotated IEP from the Patan website. If you remember, in the beginning of the class, I asked you to download some forms from Patan. This is the annotated one. Now, what's the difference between an annotated IEP and just your regular IEP form? Well, the annotated IEP is really excellent for you to look at because it actually gives you step-by-step directions and instructions as to what goes into each section of an IEP. So you will be filling out your IEP on the case study of Toby. So that's a really important document to look at. You then have, in number 4, it tells you when your IEP assignment is due on the case study of Toby. And so pay attention to that due date. You will be filling out the IEP form. The blank IEP form is there for you in a Word document. You will be filling that out and placing that into the assignment folder. Again, on the case study of Toby. So you also then have to actively learn readings, right? Again, related to the IEP. So you want to make sure that you complete those as well. And you have the annotated IEP form for you there as well. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that you have really multiple resources there for you if you really take a look at them carefully, read them, listen to them. You should have no problems filling out the IEP on the case study of Toby. And then, of course, your directions for your web page is at the end here because you're working on these group assignments and you want to continue to work on them as a group. All right? As always, any questions? And I'm here to help you if you need. Take care.